So today I'll be showing you how to archive all your Instagram posts at once. So tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That should open your Instagram profile page. Tap on the three-line button in the top right corner, and that should open settings and activity. Now here, tap on your activity and then go to posts. Under content you've shared, just tap on posts. And that's going to list all the posts you have on Instagram. And this includes basically every post you have on Instagram. So what you want to do is just tap on select, and then you can go selecting all your posts. And once you selected all your posts, fortunately I only have 11, but if you have more, you just need to keep selecting all of them. And then now you can tap on archive. It's going to ask you to confirm if you want to archive all those posts. Tap on archive and they're going to be sent to the archive. And that's basically that's basically how to archive all your Instagram posts at once. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.